Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex Marlin Chronograph watch. Here we have the 40mm green dial quartz version. As you can see, we have a date complication between 4 and 5 o'clock. And also something really cool about this exact model is that here at 3 o'clock we have a sub dial for the military time, meaning you can see up to 24 hours on this sub dial, so you can easily know whether you are AM or PM. As you can see, we now know that we are past 12 o'clock, so this is PM. Now what you want to do is to first pull the crown to the first position, and here is where you can actually change the date. Now we are going to go one by one until we have the desired date. Now something very important is to know that, let's say I want to make it the 10th and it is now AM. If that is the case and I go now at 10, I would be already at PM. So if I want to make it the 10th and to be AM, I'm going to leave it at the 9th. Now I'm going to pull the crown all the way, although I have the date set to 1 day prior. And now I'm going to go manually with the watch hands past 12 o'clock. And this way I know that the date is going to change, as you can see right here. And now I know that we are on the 10th and now it is 1 a.m. So 1 in the morning. This is a very useful trick that you can use for other watch brands as well. Now let's say that my end goal was to make it 3 in the morning, so 3 a.m. This is where you can actually see that we are on the 10th and it is 3 a.m. So guys, this is how you set the time and date on this particular Timex Marling Chronograph watch. A very beautiful piece. I have a full unboxing video on the YouTube channel, so make sure to check it out if you are interested. Link in the description box below. If you enjoy this type of videos, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me know what you think and you would like to see next on the YouTube channel in the comment section below, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.